Back exercises. Chapter 2. Structure of chromosomes, cell cycle and cell division. Starting with multiple choice type. First, the chromatin material is formed of DNA and histones. Second, the term chromosomes means colored bodies. Third, the number of chromosomes in a certain type of cell division is halved. This kind of cell division occurs in both ovaries and testes. Fourth, in which one of the following options the stages of mitosis have been given in correct sequence? Option B, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. Fifth, synthesis phase in the cell cycle is called so for the synthesis of more of DNA. Now next is part B, very short answer type. Name the following. First, the repeating components of each DNA strand lengthwise. Nucleotides. B, the complex structure consisting of DNA strand and a core of histones, nucleosomes. The type of bond which joins the complementary nitrogenous bases, hydrogen. The three components of the nucleotide: phosphate, sugar and nitrogenous bases. Now next is, imagine one cell A has undergone one mitotic division and another cell B has completed its meiotic division. How many cells would the two produce? Cell A 2 and cell B 4. Cell A undergoing mitosis will produce 2 daughter cell and cell B undergoing meiosis will produce 4 daughter cell. Now next is matchups. Chromosomes get arranged in a horizontal plane at the equator, metaphase. Daughter chromosomes move to the opposite poles of a spindle, anaphase. Chromosomes become visible as fine long thread, prophase. Next, chromosomes lose their distinctiveness and gradually become transformed into chromatin network, telophase. Now fill in the blanks. DNA replicates in the S phase, synthesis phase of the cell cycle. Mitosis occurs in our body cells. Meiosis occurs only in sex cells. Modern humans have 46 chromosomes. Their sperms and eggs will have 23 chromosomes each. During the pairing of chromosomes in meiosis, the homologous chromosomes come to lie side by side. Now last, the two non-sister chromatids of a paired chromosome are attached to each other at chiasma during the process of crossing over. Now the next one, short answer type. Beta, what is difference between chromatin fiber and chromosome? Chromatin fibers are long thread-like fibers made up of DNA and histone, and chromosomes are coil and condensed form of chromatin fiber. Now what are the rungs of DNA ladder made of? Nitrogenous bases. Question number 3. Correct the following statements for mistakes, if any. First, the 4 nitrogenous bases in the DNA are guanine, thymine. In place of adrenaline, adenine will come. Adenine and cytosine. Second, genes are specific sequences of nucleotides. In place of bases, nucleotides will come on a chromosome. Now next, a nucleotide is composed of a phosphate, a sugar and a nitrogenous base. In place of sulfate, phosphate will come. Nucleosomes are group of cysteine. In place of cysteine, histone will come. Histone molecule surrounded by DNA strand. And last, if there are 46 chromosomes in a cell, there will be 46 chromatin fibers inside the nucleus during interphase. Now next, mention whether the following statements are true or false. Give reason in support of your answer. As you grow from childhood to adulthood, your skin will cell divide only to replace such cells that are lost from the surface. True. In adults, cell number remain the constant. In adults, cell number remains constant. So number of cell newborn are equal to number of cell to be replaced. Now second, nuclear membrane in a mitotically dividing cell remain intact up to the metaphase and disappear only in the telophase. It is a false statement. Nuclear membrane in mitotically dividing cell remain intact up to the interphase and disappear only in the prophase. Now see, mitotic cell division can be a mode of reproduction. Yes, in lower organism, in unicellular organism, asexual reproduction occur by mitotic cell division. Now last, crossing over between chromatids can occur only between homologous chromosomes. Yes, because they have same type of genes which are responsible for controlling same characters. So define next. All definitions are there in your chapter only. Next is give reason. Beta, gametes must be produced by meiosis for sexual reproduction because meiosis reduce chromosome number to half in gametes. Gametes are produced by meiosis to reduce the chromosome number to half. You can write like this. Now next, why is meiosis referred to as reductional division? Because in meiosis, chromosome number is reduced to half. Now next, the children of the same parents, howsoever similar, are different from each other in certain aspects. This is due to mixing up of genetic material during meiosis in crossing over. Now distinguish between the following pair: cytokinesis, karyokinesis, division of cytoplasm and division of nucleus, DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, RNA, ribonucleic acid. Beta, nucleosome and nucleotides, 8 histone molecule wrapped by DNA. Here one single unit comprising of phosphate, sugar and nitrogenous bases. Unit made up of phosphate, sugar and nitrogenous base. Centrosome, cell organelle present in animal cell, responsible for cell division. Centromere is a point present in at the chromosome where two sister chromatids attach. It is a point of attachment of two sister chromatids in chromosome. Haploid, half the number of chromosome. Diploid, same number of chromosome as present in parent. Haploid is represented as N. It is represented as 2N. Now, changes, enumerate the various changes that occur in the nucleus of the cell during prophase and anaphase. On page number 14, you will get this answer. Then name and explain the various stages of the cell cycle. You will get this answer on page number 12. You have to write for G1, synthesis and G2 phase. Also, you have to include M phase, that is mitosis. Now, structured application skill type. Most important one, especially the diagrams related to different stages of mitosis. First question is, given below is a schematic diagram of a portion of DNA. Now, how many strands are shown in the diagram? Beta, 2 strands. Now, how many nucleotides have been shown in each strand? 2 nucleotides. Phosphate, sugar, nitrogenous base, phosphate, sugar, nitrogenous base. So, 2 nucleotides in each strand. Name the parts numbered 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. First is phosphate. Second is sugar. Third, nitrogenous base. And fourth, hydrogen bond. And fifth, again nitrogenous base. Better name the DNA unit constituted by the part 1, 2, 3 collectively. Nucleotide. 1, 2, 3 collectively. Nucleotide. Now next, After this question, question number 2, the three sketches given below A, B, C are intended to represent the replication of DNA. What should be their correct sequence starting from the first and ending at the last? Beta, first will be B, then C, and last will be A. Now next question, very important one. The diagram below represent a stage of cell division. Study the same and answer the questions that follows. Name the parts labeled 1, 2, 3. First is centriole, second spindle fiber, third chromatids. Second, identify the above stage and give a reason to support your answer. The above stage is anaphase, as chromatids are moving apart. They have moved apart. Mention the type of cell in our body where this cell division occur in all body cells like muscles. Name the stage prior to this stage and draw a diagram to represent the same. Prior means previous stage, that is metaphase. Don't use prefix with it. So metaphase, and diagram you will get on page number 14. Now draw a labeled diagram to show a metaphase stage of mitosis in an animal cell having 6 chromosomes. You will get this answer on page number 14. There the cells with 4 chromosomes are shown, but you have to draw a animal cell with 6 number of chromosomes in it. Now next, the diagram given below represent a certain phenomenon which occurs during meiosis. Name and explain the phenomena by using the term homologous chromosomes, chromatid, and crossing over. Beta, on page number 17 you will get this answer. For crossing over you have to write. Now after this, the next 6th question. Given below is a diagram representing a stage during mitotic cell division in an animal cell. Examine it carefully and answer the questions which follow. But identify the stage and give one reason in support of your answer. Stage is prophase, as nuclear membrane is disappearing in this stage. Now next, and chromosomes are moving towards the center. Next, name the cell organelle that forms ester centrosome. Name the part labeled 1, 2 and 3. Part 1 is centromere, 2 chromatids and 3 spindle fiber. Next, name the stage that follows the one shown here. How is that stage identified? Next stage you have to write, that is metaphase, as chromosome align themselves at the center of the cell. Now next, E part. Mention 2 differences between mitosis and meiosis with regard to the number of daughter cell produced. In mitosis 2 and meiosis 4 daughter cell. Chromosome number in daughter cell. In mitosis chromosome number remain the same, and in meiosis it reduced to half. Now 7th, given below are 3 diagrammatic sketches of one and the same particular phase during mitotic type of cell division. So diagrams are here. Now answer, identify the phase. This is metaphase. Next, what is the diploid number of chromosomes shown in them? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 chromosomes. Identify whether these are animal cell or plant cell. Give reason. Beta, A and B are animal cell because of centrosome. These centrioles are present, so these are animal cell and no cell wall is present. But C is a plant cell, presence of cell wall and no centrosome is there. Now after this, the next. Question number 8. Shown below are 4 stages A, B, C, D, not in sequence, of a certain kind of cell division. But is it plant cell or an animal cell? Give 2 reasons. But it is animal cell, as no cell wall is present and centrosomes are present there. Centrioles are present there. Is it undergoing mitosis or meiosis? Mitosis. What should be the correct sequence of these 4 stages among themselves? First will be prophase, that is B, then C, again late prophase, then D, metaphase, and A. So B, C, D, A. Name the stage that should precede the earliest of these stages, means before prophase, interphase. And you have to draw the diagram of interphase here from page number 14. Now last question. Given below is a diagram representing a stage during mitotic cell division. Study it carefully and answer the questions that follow. Is it a plant cell or an animal cell? Give a reason to support your answer. But a plant cell, because no centrioles are present here and cell wall is present. Identify the stage shown, that is prophase. Now the reason is that as nuclear membrane is disappearing and chromosomes are moving towards the center. Name the stage that follows the one shown here, means after prophase, which stage will be there, that is metaphase. And how is that stage identified? As chromosomes are going to align themselves at the center. How will you differentiate between mitosis and meiosis on the basis of chromosome number in the daughter cell? In mitosis, chromosome number remain the same in daughter cell, and in meiosis, chromosome number reduced to half. Draw a duplicated chromosome and label its part. Beta, this diagram you have to draw a chromosome with two chromatids. These are chromatids and this is centromere. Already explained in the one of the video related to this chapter. So with this back exercises, we have completed the back exercises. Revise, first read the chapter and then revise all these questions given at the back. And next we will start with revision work.